incredible, you know. I bought this memories today, you know, because I've been complaining about uh, this email. My videos always stops, and I read like the description, and it should be there. And you know what? The guy in the store put it in. The guy that actually knows this shit. You know, you can see here. Um, this is for Android phone, by the way. Lagring, that's like well, uh, how much you can have, right? Look, there should be a way to, according to the instructions, to put that on um, the ship, but there ain't none. And I tried myself again, so it's incredible, fucking incredible. So now again, I have to delete my videos, and they're gonna take it away. Yep. Fuckerberg. Fucking getting tired of this shit. Yeah, well, I can open. Just give me a minute, wait. Here it is, right? Can you see it? It's right there. I don't get it. I don't get it because the guy in the store that works with this shit told me that this was capable of adding memory. So, you know, I'm gonna take out that SIM card over here and see if it works. That's the only way I can do it, I think. That I'm a fucking genius.